Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you a step-by-step process to uninstall a software. Many a times you remove the software from the add and remove program and you just get relaxed that you have already installed the software. But you should know that after installing the software, there are so many entries that already is existing in your computer or laptop. So if you want to uninstall a software completely, then you have to follow a step-by-step process by which you can completely uninstall the software and delete all the files, values, or the entries from the computer registry. As we all know that the computer registry is the epic of your computer that contains all everything what you do in your computer. So it records everything. So you need to delete all these records. I will give you a live demo here where I'm trying to install a Kaspersky Total Security software. I have already uninstalled the Norton antivirus software from my computer as it was pre-installed with the SRPC. Now, when I'm trying to install the Total Security software, it is giving me the error message. You can see the error message on the screen that incompatible software detected. I have already restarted the laptop many times after removing this Norton antivirus software, but again it pops up. That means there are some component of the software which is still lying in the computer and I need to pick it up and I have to remove it. So how to do that? So let's follow the step-by-step tutorial to delete all the related files of a software which you have recently deleted, and you can also delete the entries, all the entries from the registry. So let's start the video. If you are new to our channel, I request you to subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, please like and share this video as well.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
Step 1. Remove software from add and remove programs. So in Windows 10, you will get the program and features option in the control panel. So you have to go to control panel. So type control in the search box. You will see control panel here. Click on this. Then here you can see the option called program and features. Just click on this, and then here you need to locate the software which you want to uninstall. In my case, I want to uninstall Norton antivirus software. So I will just press N, and here you can see there is no entry of Norton here. Okay, so now if you are going to uninstall any software, then you need to just select the software and need to click on this button. It will ask you that you want to uninstall this, and just click on the yes button. After a few seconds, your software will get uninstalled from the computer. But that's not over. Now you need to delete the data and the import other related files from the computer as well. For that, what is the next step? The next step is remove the software folder from the program files. For that, the step 2, you need to go to search box, Windows search box. Here you need to type percentage program files percentage and hit enter. Here you can see that you are in the program files folder. Here you need to locate the software which you have just uninstalled from the control panel. So in my case, I will search for Norton, but here I can see the Norton software is not there. That means I have to search somewhere else. Now step 3, remove the software folder from the app data folder. For that, again go to search box, and here you need to type app data. app data, app data, and hit enter. Then here from the list of software, you need to select the software which you have already installed. In my case, I'm trying to locate Norton, but it is not here. This is a step 3. Step 4, you need to delete the entries of your uninstalled software from the registry. For that, you need to go to Run dialog box. For that, press the Windows key and R button and type REZEDIT. Press enter. Now you can see here I am in the registry editor. Now I have to find all the values. Okay, so what you have to do is, first of all you have to go to HKey local machine. Click on that. Now you have to go to software. Click on that. Then from this list, from the list of software, you need to locate the software which you have recently uninstalled from the computer. So here I can see the entry of Norton. Okay, so here you see the entry exists. Because of that, I am not able to install the another antivirus software. As we all know that at a time only one antivirus software should be there in your computer. Otherwise, your antivirus software will not work even if it gets installed. So I have to remove this file or the entries from the computer. So I will right click on it. I will click on the delete button, and if it will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete the key and all of its subkeys? Just press on yes. So I have already deleted. Now I will also delete the Symantec key from here, because Symantec is also antivirus software. Okay, so I have done that. Now I have to go back. So to go back, just click the left arrow button. Now you have to go to HKey current user. Here again you have to select software, and again from this list you need to locate your software name. So I will search for Norton, but here I can see the Norton doesn't exist. I will search for Symantec. So Symantec also doesn't exist. So I will go back. It may possible that your software entries may not be there everywhere, but you need to check it out. Now I have to go to HKey user. Okay, so here I can see there is nothing here. Okay, then we have to go to HKey current configuration, and here there is an option called software. So there is no entry. Okay, now at last I have to go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, and then I have to go to Windows, then current version, and then uninstall. Here also I have to delete this entry. Okay, so HKey local machine, so I will click on this. Software, I will click on this. Then Microsoft, so just press the M. Here Microsoft, I will double click on it. Then Windows, I will press W button. Here there is a Windows, I will double click on it. Then current version, so I will search for the current version under Windows, current version. Then uninstall, so I will click U. Then here you can see the option under current version, that is uninstall. I will click on this. Now I will maximize it to show you. So these are the uninstalled software list. Now I have to search for the software which you have currently uninstalled. So I'm trying to search, but here with this name I can't search. So I will go down here. There is some display driver, NVIDIA container, NV containers. So this is not there. Then here I can go down. Here is, you can see some software list here. So from here I can't see anywhere Norton. Otherwise, if you don't find your software, you can just go select the uninstall, right click on it, and you can find here the desired software which you are searching for. Norton. Find next. So here it is showing some data. I will come to here and I will see where the Norton is there. If you find any values under the uninstall tab, then you can delete the values from there too, as we have done earlier. So that's it. So now all the 5 steps are over. Now you can, your computer is safe. You have already deleted all the related files, values, data, and the entries from your computer. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.